make production furnaces for a range of industries, primarily electronic components and solar cells. Our customer base is international, Taiwan, Japan, throughout a lot of countries in Asia, some companies in Europe. When we split off from our parent company, we made a list, and then OpenBOM ticked the boxes that we needed. So we purchased OpenBOM in about 2021. It's a little more intuitive than the previous programs we were using. Our turnaround time for creating a BOM is faster. A large part of our business is repeat orders. We just take the old BOM, copy it with a new number, and say, here's our new BOM, off we go. Other times there's a list of changes. So we'll start with the previous design and then go in and widen it, narrow it, and then release that BOM. For example, if this were our source BOM, you type in the number, boom, it changed it. If we're building a brand new BOM, we'll probably be adding the top level assemblies. The nice thing about OpenBOM is that once you've defined assemblies, you can reuse them anywhere. And like this push button assembly used on virtually every machine we have. And instead of having to go in on each separate time you use it, just take this part, this assembly, everything's there, and we just use this number everywhere else we want to use it. Been happy with your guys' responsiveness, and we do have issues and open up a ticket. The response time is fast. The resolution time is usually really fast.